Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. But in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check any site's popularity worldwide with insights, with detailed insights without using any software for free. Now, in order to do it, all you need to do is to just simply open any of the browser you have. For example, if I open the Google Chrome browser, now here you can do the same process from any of the device you have. Now here you have to search for similar web.com. You can see the right URL over there. Now wait for it to respond, and once it gets open, it will ask you to paste the website, enter a domain. For example, if I write www dot let's say youtube.com, and if I hit the get insights, it will gonna give me the insights about that particular website. It may ask you to sign in, and once you're gonna see here, you can see the example how detailed statistics it's provide for any particular website. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.